A two-story house built by Wilja Construction and Services. This is our Malolos project. Ito yung kanilang master's bedroom. Actually, may mga cabinet. Yung cabinet, hindi na nila pinapaint sa amin. So, hindi na siya isasabay sa pictures. Pero, kami pa din yung gumawa ng cabinet nila. Ito yung master's bedroom, toilet and bath nila. Ito yung isang bedroom. One bedroom. Ito yung common CR. The other bedroom. Ito yung other bedroom ulit for the kids. Yung gamit, hindi yan sa amin. Sa client na po yan kasi naghakot na sila ng mga gamit nila. This is the storage room. Yan, storage room nila. Yan. Ito yung ceiling nila dito sa second floor. Yan. Ito yung kanilang stairs. Tempered glass, yung railings, and tubular stainless. Yung hagdan is planks. Baba na ako. Papunta ako ng first floor. Ito yung main door. Kanilang main door. As you can see, yung main door nila. Press ng Kalumpit project nila. Ito yung kanilang living area and dining area. So, napapansin nyo, ginagawa pa nila yung design ng kanilang dito sa may TV rack. Yan. Yan yung counter bar. Okay. Yung TV area nila. Lalagyan pa namin ng PVC for the design. So, yan yung kanilang kitchen and counter bar. Yan, so as you can see, may mga gamit na sila kasi today yung aming turnover. Ito yung kanilang common CR dito sa baba. Yan. Ito yung kanilang dirty kitchen. Yan. Dirty kitchen. Yan. Yan. Then palabas tayo sa parking area. Yun. Nakapark na yung kanilang sasakyan. Kasi for turnover na kami today. Ayan yung parking area. Ayan.